we going back to Whitehorse?
Well, it's our understanding from the information we gathered that the border at Dawson City, where you cross into the USA, is closed. So we have to turn around and go back the other way.
Because why are they closed?
Well, there's evidently flooding up there, and also the Klondike Highway is flooded into Dawson City at different intervals. So we just,
Because of ice chunks.
yeah, well, ice dams is what they call it.
Yeah.
So we're trying to play Dodge Road here because there's a lot of potholes on this road up here, and you kind of gotta, not a whole bunch of traffic, so you gotta kind of be moving over and straddle the road so you don't hit a big pothole.
I mean, we slept really good at
It's a
the
great place we can.
gravel pit.
It was a gravel pit, probably where they provide, road and stuff, dirt for the roads, around there. But anyway, this is those seem to be the places working for us. It's pretty safe and clean.
Oh yeah, there was another rig down there too.
There's another rig there. It's a big open area. That's what we try to find.
Yeah, you see this right here? That is rough. But not as rough as you would think.
Well, some of it depends. It all changes.
Yeah.
It just changes, and you can't be going real fast over them because you can't see them till you get up on them.
Right.
This morning we're dealing with, because it rained last night, you got wet spots.
Yeah.
So that's, you got to deal with that. But on up here about 50 miles, they have started working on these big potholes.
Yes.
Fixing them. We seen the crews out yesterday. See, they fixed some of these. But they'll fix, like through here, then they'll leave a couple big ones like back there.
Yeah.
I guess they just overlooked it. I don't know. Anyway, we'll try to do good, not lose a tire or bust a tire.
That's it.
They're only doing 50 miles an hour, 50, 55. I have to it gives me, if I get my overdrive gear, my top gear, it helps my fuel mileage. So that's the speed I like to run, so I can get in my overdrive gear. When you got heavy duty equipment, that's where you try to run. And I can switch it to tow mode, but I'm going too slow for tow mode, so it's a little stressful on the engine like this, but it saves me on my fuel. But it's not no big hills or nothing, so it's doing, we got 100-something miles to go back to Whitehorse.
173, y'all.
Hey.
Rewind. It's a different view going backwards. Okay, down the road we go. Ice.
Same people still back there. Must be enjoying the ice.
Pretty day. Get fuel at this Petro 1, and they're having to direct traffic because their diesel is 10 cents less
Today.
And everybody and their brother's coming up here.
All fuel's less.
Oh, the fuel, yeah, the diesel and the gas. Crazy.
Thank you.
You're good to go. So Bobby's had to fill up 3 times because they've got a limit of $100 or 100, whatever they do in their money. So he's filling up again. This is number 3. Daryl had to do the same thing. I mean, look at this. You know what show that's going on out here. Cars everywhere. They pump the fuel. Oh my gosh. This is craziness. Crazy. I don't know where Daryl and them went. They're around the side of the building or somewhere. Wow.
Wow.
Great service station, but a mad house.
That's because they lowered the price.
Woo!
There's some type of customer appreciation or something going on because
Yeah, they do.
they got hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff over there.
Dang. Beautiful. Just beautiful. This is the view from the rest area. We're about 200 miles from the Alaskan border. How gorgeous is that? Beetle Trail, right off of
The Alaskan Highway.
Alaska Highway.
Yeah, Alaska Highway. I always say Alaskan.
No N on the end. But
Alaskan Highway.
we're about to roll out. There's Kim and Daryl in front of us, and you see it is nice and chilly here. We woke up to a crisp 32 degrees. Yeah, and this is going to be a bumpy ride today, so hold on to everything you got.